It's November 22nd, 2020, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. And we got Shannon here at her place. Sorry it's been so long since we've done an episode, just been busy with work and all that. And with the events of the world with COVID, and that it's been kind of hard to get into it. But we're at Shannon's, and she's going to tell us what we're going to make tonight.
So tonight we're going to do baking cake. And we are going to do snowman cookies.
We're going to make the snowman cookies, and we got that at our local Walmart store, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So what are the steps we got to do? Shannon's going to read the instructions.
So the instructions are...
That's okay, take your time.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Make...
Well, we've already preheated the oven.
And, yeah, we heated the oven. For each sandwich, spread one cookie with softened ice. Oh, no, we don't. That's ice cream sandwich. Sorry. I'm nervous here, guys.
Okay, well, we can come back to you in a second.
Don't blame me.
Okay? Why don't we go visit Charlie, then we'll come back to you.
Yeah, go visit Charlie.
Okay, well, Shannon's reading, and we're going to talk to Charlie. Hi, Hi, Charlie. Do you have anything to say? What's Charlie's time on the camera now?
Okay.
Charlie, do you have anything to say? Oh. Oh. Anyway, that's Charlie. Oh.
So it says heat oven to 350, which we've already done that. Place cookie dough rounds on the ungreased cookie sheet. Bake 10 to 12 minutes. Baked cookies surface and edges will be pale in color. Do not overbake. Cool 1 minute before removing from cookie sheet. Cookies will spread only slightly.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now is we're going to remove this from the box and cut an edge. And then you slide the cardboard out of the package. If it'll come out. Oh, they've got a new box. I'm just gonna go like this to get them. And there's what they look like. So my tray can only do not very many. The way these are soft. And now I'm putting them on the tray. Sorry if I take too long, people.
It's okay.
Haven't done this in a long time, but I like doing this. This is one of my favorite cookies to do.
Yeah, it's quick and easy. So if you got kids, or like even the kids can do it if you had kids. Like,
yeah.
It's a kind of a fun thing if you were wanting something to do with a babysitter one night. If the parents are out, they can easily do this. Like,
now I'm going to put this tray in the oven. I'm going to put it for 10 minutes.
Okay, we're in the oven here. As you can see, Shannon's got them in her oven there. Okay, so right now we'll check back in 10 minutes. So Charlie, how much time is left in the cooking?
Meow, 2:31.
2:31, okay. Oh, Charlie.
Charlie, are you on camera?
You say hi to your YouTube fans.
Yay.
Meow. Oh. So the first batch is out of the oven. They were in for 10 minutes. So now Shannon's going to put the other batch together on this tray. Are you, Shannon?
Yeah.
Okay. So Shannon's going to put some on this tray.
Yeah. Just put that up there. Sorry.
No, you're online now. It's okay. You weren't before.
So I'm putting the rest of the cookies on. Hopefully we can get all of them on.
Well, you're going to have to, because there's no sense doing a third batch.
No. They'll all fit on, because I fit mine on the other one.
I've never had these before, but have you, Shannon?
Yes, I have.
Oh.
They're really good.
Okay, Shannon's putting the final 2 cookies on, and she was just mentioning to me you can get other designs too.
Yes, you can get snowmans, and sometimes you can get reindeer.
I'll have to check at the
And
local
sometimes
store.
you can get Christmas trees.
Mhm.
So the second batch ready to go in.
And it's another 10 minutes, and we've got our timer ready. And Charlie is supervising the timer.
Supervising. Good job, Charlie. Okay, start timer.
Charlie,
Hello.
Charlie, can you start the timer, Charlie?
Charlie, can you start the timer? Charlie. Good boy, Charlie.
As you can see, the total time has now elapsed for all these snowman cookies. Is there snowman cookie or what are they?
Snowman.
Snowman cookies, and they look delicious. We'll have to try them out in a couple minutes. And Shannon, do you have anything else to say?
That was fun doing it. Thank you for getting into the package, Rob.
Okay.
And thanks to Walmart.
And remember, people, like and subscribe to the video and give us ideas for stuff for future videos. We'll try to do a few more if we can. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.